नमस्कार। क्लास 11th केमिस्ट्री में इक्विलिब्रियम के पार्ट 7 पर डिस्कशन करेंगे। आज हम इक्विलिब्रियम के पार्ट 7 में हम स्टडी करेंगे थ्योरीज ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस के बारे में। देयर आर थ्री theories of acid and base. First is Arrhenius theory of acid and base. Second, Bronsted-Lowry theory of acid and base. And third is Lewis theory of acid and base. Arrhenius concept of acid and base. In 1887, Swedish scientist Svante Arrhenius proposed the theory for acid and base. According to Arrhenius, acid gives hydrogen ion. It means acid gives H plus ion. For example, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. These are the acids because they give H plus ion. Base gives hydroxyl ion. For example, NaOH, KOH, and COH2. They gives OH minus ion. Hydroxyl ion means OH ion. Second, Bronsted-Lowry concept of acid and base. In 1923, Jane Bronsted and Martin Lowry proposed the proton exchange theory for acid and base. According to Bronsted and Lowry, proton donor is acid and proton acceptor is base. In this example, HCl react with H2O to form H3O plus ion and Cl minus ion. In this reaction, HCl give proton and convert into Cl minus ion. Therefore, HCl is acid. And H2O accept proton and convert into H3O positive ion. Hence, H2 is a base. Another example is HCl and ammonia. When react together, they form NH4 plus and Cl minus ion. In case of this reaction, HCl gives proton to form Cl minus ion. Therefore, HCl is acid and ammonia accept proton to form NH4 plus ion. Therefore, ammonia NH3 is a base. According to Bronsted and Lowry concept, we can define the conjugate acid and base. When base accept proton, conjugate acid is formed, and when acid lose proton, conjugate base is formed. In this table, we can explain the conjugate acid and base with the following example. For example, ammonia acts as a base. When ammonia accept one proton, then it will convert into NH4 plus ion. Therefore, NH4 is a conjugate acid of NH3 base. And NH4 plus, when act as acid, its conjugate base is NH3. Second example, acetate ion is a base, while CH3COOH is a conjugate acid. Similarly, when CH3COOH act as a acid, its conjugate base is CH3COOH minus. And similarly, we can explain the other example. For example, bicarbonate ion is a base and H2CO3 is a conjugate acid. Hydroxyl ion OH is a base and its conjugate acid is H2O. Chloride is a base and its conjugate acid is a HCl. It means the difference between base and conjugate acid is 1 proton. Another theory of acid base is Lewis theory of acid and base. In 1923, G. and Lewis proposed Lewis theory for acid and base. What is Lewis acid? The substance which can accept a lone pair of electrons are called Lewis acid. For example, AlCl3, BF3, FeCl3, Na positive, Ca cation. These are the Lewis acid because they can accept lone pair of electron to complete their octet. Lewis base, the substance which can donate a lone pair of electrons are called Lewis base. For example, ammonia NH3, CH3NH2, methylamine, ethanol, chloride ion, bromide ion, cyanogen ion. These are the Lewis base. Because they have complete their octet. तो इस वीडियो में आपने देखा कि किस प्रकार से एसिड बेस के कंसेप्ट हैं और हम उनको किस प्रकार से याद रख सकते हैं, इनके आप नोट्स बना सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।